Today is July 5th.
I love you, Mommy.
We just had some fireworks last night, but I was too busy falling asleep, so I didn't really get to enjoy it. But right now it's lavender season. There's so many types of lavender, but how I chose this variety a couple years ago when I planted it, I look at how it smells, and to me,
it smells great.
it smells great. Well, my nose is a little stuffy now. I have a little allergy, but usually I would smell it to see if it's the type of lavender that I like, since there are so many,
But,
you know.
But if you eat it and then you die.
No, we can't. No, this one's edible. This type of lavender, I'm gonna be giving this to a friend to harvest once it kind of dry up a little bit. She cooks with it. She is planning to, as she said, she might take a couple of these like that, and then wrap it and use it for drying, like a dryer sheet. But this is the natural fragrance.
I want to.
You know, and she's gonna basically cook with it, use it.
I'm
No,
going
don't.
to take
Don't. That's not how you do it. We'll harvest it correctly. That's not nice. Stop. This is not how to harvest it by a toddler for demo. Stop it. Oh my God, dear God, there's a lot of patience. You know, this is why if we had pets, it would have to be very patient old dog, otherwise it would probably bite my son. And well, no. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, can I have this? Okay. Even though it's not the right thing to do,
But I want to hold it.
these parts you can probably propagate it, since you already ripped it out.
I want to hold it for you.
In that sense. So you do definitely have to prune this, and as I understand with lavender, like if
Mommy, you ruined it.
No, I did not. You're the one who pulled it from the bush. You hurt the tree. Basically you would prune this and it might have a second bloom. I will test that out this year. I don't know if that's true. And there you go, lavender.
I will hold it for you.
Okay. Okay, that looks beautiful, my dear.
It smells great.
And so this is one type of lavender I have. Here is another different type of lavender. It has a little bit like a variegated, you know, leaf. Yes, my dear.
Mommy, if you eat it and then you will die.
No, I won't. This is edible lavender. I tell him that. If he eats things that he just, you know, look around the garden, he might die. So, might die, not will die. But anyways, this bloom later than that other variety. You know, I try to do, it's really hard to do, yes you can. It's really hard to do a video because sometimes things bloom at different periods. And right now it's lavender season, and you know, I tried to do a video earlier in the season, maybe 2 months ago. You know, we haven't done any weeding, it's crazy, you know, and a landscaper, a local landscaper, he's like, it is a mess. I'm like,
Mommy,
are you trying to
Mommy,
sell me a
the
service?
honeybee is eating it because
It's not eating it. It's pollinating. See, it's going by each of the flower to get some honey, and it brings it back to its hive, and that's where it stores it. There you go. We talk about random things all the time. And so I was saying, you know, he called it a mess, and well, you know, I really didn't want to make a video, but we were in quarantine,
Mommy,
so we're all bored.
I spit this on the ground because it was so yucky.
Oh, okay, it's yucky. Thank God. Okay, so basically, lavender. Don't eat it straight from the bush. It is yucky. You mean you can cook it? It's edible. Means a sense of you can make lavender ice cream. Stop it. Lavender ice cream and whatnot. You want to pull it? Oh dear. For the patience of my neighbor. Oh, they're so patient. Well, they're not. They're retired. Anyway, stop it, my dear. Okay. And so this is what he does to my hair. Imagine that's my hair. Okay, so yeah, this is why I have hair loss as a mommy. You know, it's really hard to grow hair when your toddler pulls it like that hard.
They're so picky and
Nope,
they're
nope,
like a
that's
horse
not very
and
nice.
the-
So basically, you know, a garden is a work in progress. It is really hard. You know, I have so much expectation and limited in time. You know, and I just like to share, you know, what it is as it is. You know, what garden will look good during winter or fall? There's no leaf or nothing. But you know, I think that's the wrong way to look at gardening. Gardening should be beauty in its season. I mean, whatever season it is, it's beautiful in its own way. Like, you know, it's okay to have falling leaves. You know, you got weeds. The only way you don't have leaves is you, you know, rake it. And weeds everywhere, you gotta pull it, or you know, some other methods. I'm getting natural lavender flower falling.
I do that to
So
you.
I hope you enjoy this quick clip on lavender season.
I do that.